Good morning, students. Today we are just going to recall all the lessons. Means whichever lessons possible, we are going to just recall, and you can check whether you have completed all the lessons in the notebook with the correct spelling or not. Okay. Now, first lesson which will come in your annual course is lesson number 7 about the breeds of dogs. Breeds of dogs. Now here, first picture of the dog is Saluki. Saluki spelling is Saluki. 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 And for this information is written that the dash is sometimes referred to as Royal Dog of Egypt. So Royal Dog of Egypt. You will find out in Google if you write down Royal Dog of Egypt, they will give the name Saluki. Have you ever searched this? आपने सर्च किया किसी ने नाम गूगल पे सर्च नहीं किया? ठीक है, तो सालुकी नाम है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज Dash is a powerful but gentle dog that is very loyal and protective. So loyal and protective and gentle dog, bulldog. Dash is popular small breed of dog. Small breed of dog, Chihuahua. Now here picture of Chihuahua is not there. पिक्चर में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है, इसमें पिक्चर चिहुआहुआ की नहीं है, बट जो व्हाटएवर द इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंफॉर्मेशन देखा जाए तो इट इज चिहुआहुआ. क्लियर? सो फॉर द पिक्चर यू कैन पुट अ क्रॉस फॉर दैट कि पिक्चर ये नहीं है. मान लो अगर पिक्चर आ गई तो ये पिक्चर के लिए आपको ये चिहुआहुआ नहीं लिखना है, इतना तो कंफर्म है, ठीक है ना. इंफॉर्मेशन अगर ये दिया है तो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन चिहुआहुआ. स्पेलिंग इज CHI लिख लिया, HUA Chihuahua. Dash is a dog has excellent eyesight and sense of smell. अब eyesight and sense of smell BASENJI. J for joy. Next, fifth, the Dash is large breed of dog famous for its incredible tracking ability. Now the word tracking ability comes, you have to write down bloodhound. For tracking ability एक word पकड़ लो, आपकी word tracking ability आएगा तो हमें bloodhound ही लिखना है. Sense of excellent eyesight and sense of smell आएगा तो हमें क्या लिखना है? बेसनजी. Popular small breed dog आएगा तो चिहुआहुआ. ठीक है. Dash is a dog from Australia and Southeast Asia. ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड साउथ एशिया ये दोनों कॉन्टिनेंट्स के नाम आ गए तो डिंगो. ठीक है, ऐसे याद रखने में आपको इजी रहेगा. कुछ वर्ड पकड़ लो उसमें से और आपको उसमें से बोलना है. Dash originated in Siberia and are used to pull sledges. Pull sledges आएगा तो pull sledge कौन सा होता है? Husky spelling HUSKY. Next, 8th, greyhound. Now the picture here is given. Whatever the picture is given for greyhound, this is the picture of Chihuahua. Chihuahua ऐसा दिखता है, ठीक है? चिहुआहुआ ऐसा दिखता है, ठीक है. और जो 8 का मैटर दिया है ब्रीड स्किनी आएगा. कभी स्किनी तो नहीं दिख रहा है, स्किनी दिख रहा है, स्किनी नहीं. तो ये जो इसकी पिक्चर ये नहीं है, ठीक है ना. तो आंसर विल बी ग्रेहाउंड. GREY ग्रे HOUND. And that did you know also? And did you know the dog can smell about how much times better than a human being? 100,000 but times better than a human. Clear? Now after this, Lesson number 9. Important facts about animals. Now this question, in this questions, questions can be raised from this. Very short questions can be raised or formed. Like dash is the only bird which never builds its nest. It can be asked for the fill the blank or very short. You should be ready for that. Very short I चाहे fill in the blanks के form में आपको वो करना है. Or it is cuckoo is the only bird which never builds its nest. Which bird never builds its nest? Cuckoo or koel. Clear? Next, birds of prey are hunting birds that feed on small creatures such as birds and rabbits. Now, what do you know about birds of prey? What do you know about birds of prey? This can be the question. What do you know about birds of prey? Birds of prey are hunting birds that feeds on small creatures such as birds and rabbits. Clear? I think on the top you can write on this page can be asked for filling the blanks for 7th lesson. है ना? For 7th lesson you can write down fill in the blanks. ये इसमें fill in the blanks के फॉर्म में क्वेश्चन पूछ लेने जाएंगे. ये फिलअप्स के फॉर्म में है. 7th lesson and 9th lesson very short questions आ सकते हैं इसमें से. Very short. Clear? Then turtles have no teeth. So which animal have no teeth? Turtles. Dash have no teeth. Turtles. Rats can survive without water longer than camels. Longer than camels. Camels can survive without but rats can also survive without water. Camels के comparison में एक और दिया है animal rats. Owls' hearing is so sharp that can locate their prey in pitch darkness by sound alone. That means owls' hearing is so sharp. इतना तेज सुनाई देता है owls को कि वो कोई darkness में भी कोई sound आ रही है तो वो किसी जानवर की तो वो अपना prey आसानी से ढूंढ लेते हैं, अपना खाना आसानी से ढूंढ लेते हैं. Then, how many presents do they want to see? 38. Bee consumes 6 to 10 pounds of honey to secrete each pound of wax. कितना honey लेती है? 6 to 10 pounds of honey to secrete each pound of wax. हर pound wax के लिए उसको 6 to 8 pounds honey देनी पड़ती है. Then spider is not an insect because insect have 6 legs. So his spider and insect roam. Why? What is the reason why spider is not an insect? Because it has 6 legs. And it does not have 6 legs, it has 8 legs. The elephant is the only animal without knees. It cannot jump. And which animal cannot jump? What is the reason behind it? Because it has no knees नहीं होगा, knees के हेल्प से जंप कर सकते हैं. जब knees नहीं होंगे कैसे जंप करेंगे हम लोग? स्ट्रेट पाँव होंगे तो बेंडी नहीं हो पाएंगे. Then cows chew the cud. They have 4 stomach. Which animal has 4 stomach? Cow. They have 4 stomach and after swallowing food, they bring it back up into their mouth for further chewing. Swallow कर लेती है खाना, उसके बाद वापस से they can bring the food back to the mouth. Stomach में जाने के बाद वापस से वो मुंह में खाना लगाते हैं। आप देखना अक्सर जब भी गाय गाय बैठी रहती है तो उनका मुंह चलता रहता है, चबाती रहती है वो। क्यों? क्योंकि वो जो खाना गया है वो वापस से मुंह में ला करके उसको और चीज करती है, दैट इज कर। Orang means man of forest in Malay. So what does Orang mean? Man of forest in Malay. Then the lion generally roars in the evening before a night hunting and again before getting up at dawn. So two times. The lion roars how many times? Two times. When first time in the evening before the night hunting. रात में hunt करने से पहले वो roar करता है. Roar कराएगा उसने आवाज जोर से, that is now going for night hunting. Then before getting up at dawn. Dawn means early morning, तो भी वो रोल करता है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट लेसन नंबर 10, national parks. Now this is can be asked in the MCQs form. Yes. Now national park. Gir National Park is the home of Asiatic lion. Which state is situated in? G for Gir, G for Gujarat. Keep this in mind. ऐसे आप उनको कंपेयर कर सकते हैं। So G for Gir, G for Gujarat. Next, Valley of Flowers, a national park also declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site is located in Valley of Flowers National Park. Declared as UNESCO. UNESCO के द्वारा for UNESCO for उत्तराखंड नाम कर दिया। ठीक है, ये आपको UNESCO आएगा तो उत्तराखंड। G for G for Gujarat. Then Danchingam National Park in Jammu and Kashmir is famous for Danchingam National Park in Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmir में Kashmiri cat. Okay. Kashmir and Kashmir, what is that? Kashmiri cat. What is that? Hiran type. Kashmiri hiran. Hermit National Park is biggest national park in India and home to snow leopard where it is located. Hermit National Park. Hermit Ladakh. Hermit what is? कुछ याद आ रहा है? SST में लद्दाख जो कोल्ड डेजर्ट हॉट डेजर्ट सभी भी है। कोल्ड डेजर्ट हॉट डेजर्ट, कोल्ड डेजर्ट में लद्दाख पड़ा था, कोल्ड डेजर्ट में उसमें आया था हेमिस इज द मोनेस्ट्री करके आया था, उसमें पढ़ा था आपने हेमिस, ठीक है ना, लद्दाख। देन द सुंदरबंस नेशनल पार्क इज फेमस फॉर हाँ वेस्ट बंगाल, सुंदरबंस for the West Bengal, Bengal tiger, West Bengal. West Bengal, Bengal tiger. Now name the famous tigers. Machili can be spotted in Ranthambore National Park. R for Ranthambore, R for Rajasthan. R for Ranthambore, R for Rajasthan. Then the biggest national park of the world in the Northeast Midland National Park. What is it famous for? Musk oxen. Musk oxen. Oxen ox. Musk करके एक अलग तरीके की वैरायटी है ox. So that's all for national park, which is not able to understand. Doubt clear, Sarah? Next page. Next is 15 Indian environmentalist. Indian environmentalist. So first, he is an Indian eco-activist. Eco-activist and Gandhian peace worker. Gandhian peace worker. First one. Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sundarlal Bahuguna. In the help box, you can mark it, those who are not marked, and then write it down in the blank. Sundarlal Bahuguna. Spelling is given in the help box. Second, he is an Indian filmmaker. Now, Gandhian peace के लिए आएगा तो Sundarlal Bahuguna. Then filmmaker Mike Pandey. Second, Mike Pandey. Third, he is an Indian Gandhian environmentalist and social activist who founded Dasholi Gram Swaraj Sangh. Yes, Chandy Prasad. Next, she is an Indian environmentalist and political activist, as well as major proponent of green concept of sustainable development. Sunita Narayan. Fourth is Sunita Narayan. Fifth, in 1990, he left Anandman to live along the Narmada River. Narmada River के पास रहने के लिए चले गए थे. He passed away in Anandman on February 9, 2008 at 4:50 a.m. Who is he? And he was 93. Fifth one, Baba Amte. Baba Amte. क्लास नाम कुछ सेंड करते नहीं है, आईडी सेंड कर दो. Then next, he is known as Waterman of India. Waterman of India. Who is Waterman of India? Rajendra Singh. Yes. Sixth one, Rajendra Singh. Next, he is an Indian ornithologist and a naturalist. He is known as Birdman of India. Birdman of India. Salim Ali. Seventh is Salim Ali. Okay, now next, she has been dynamic in bringing up a change in the environment process in India by starting Narmada Bachao Andolan. So Narmada, who is concerned with Narmada Bachao Andolan? Megha Patkar. Completed here? Any doubt? A doubt is that you have to learn whenever next class. First, you will close the book and then I will put up the question. ठीक है ना? Question put up करूँगी मैं, वो आपको रात को बोलूँगी next class. Whether it is home, whether it is dry, whether it is water. So be prepared. Next, now 16th one. Our nation. This is very easy lesson. Our nation. Everybody know about our country. National anthem, national song, emblem and all. So related to our nation only. The questions are there in MCQ. First question: how many spokes are there in the chakra of our national flag? 24. Which strip should always be on the top of the Indian triangle? Chevron. How many lines are visible in the national anthem? Three. Three है, उससे four है, but it is one to the left side, so it is not visible. Three are visible. What is inscribed at the base of national emblem? Satyamev Jayate. Satyamev Jayate. Who composed the national song of India? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. And what is the first month of a national calendar? Chaitra. What is the national flower of India? So all are easy questions, very easy questions. Next is 17th. The Constitution of India. The Constitution of India, which is the highest court of India. After the Supreme Court, after High Court, District and local courts. ये आपने पढ़ा था ना? Who was the chairman of the Constitution of Drafting Committee? B.R. Ambedkar. He is the chairman of Constitution Drafting Committee, जिसने Constitution draft किया. उस कमेटी में ये मेंबर थे B.R. Ambedkar, chairman. When and in which state was Panchayati Raj first introduced? Rajasthan. We introduced the Panchayati Raj, and it was October 1959. How many articles are there in the Constitution of India? 395 articles are there in the Constitution of India. Who was elected as the President of Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the President of Constituent Assembly. Then, how many fundamental duties are mentioned in the Constitution of India? 11. 11 fundamental duties are there. Rights are also there. Right to equality, right for education, right of education, right of religion, right of rights. Are these fundamental duties? 11. Which non-member of the Parliament has the right to address it? Attorney General of India. Which right was described as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Heart and soul, right to constitutional remedy. Right to constitutional remedy means you are free to appeal to any court whenever you find that your right has been hindered. आपको अपना अधिकार नहीं मिल रहा है, तो everybody is free to approach the court. अपना right देने का अधिकार है आपको. Now important dams of India. Lesson 18, important dams of India. First was the first multi-purpose project of India. Multi-purpose project means एक ही project बनाया but it can be used for different purposes. Dams were built on the Damodar River and its tributaries in the states of Jharkhand and West Bengal to build the area of annual flood. Annual जो वहाँ पर flood आता था, बारिश में जब ज़्यादा बारिश होती है तो what happens? Condition of flood is there. बाढ़ आ जाती है, वो बाढ़ को रोकने के लिए ये डैम बनाया गया। कहाँ पर? कौन सी रिवर पर? दामोदर रिवर। So the name of this is दामोदर रिवर बनाया गया। दामोदर रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट। दामोदर रिवर पे बनाया गया तो दामोदर वैली प्रोजेक्ट। This is gravity dam of Narmada River at Navagam, Gujarat in India. 4 Indian states. Now which are 4 Indian states? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan receive water and electricity supplied from the dam. The 4 states में यहाँ से electricity supply होती है इस dam से. Dam are helpful for producing electricity also. So इस dam से. So which is that dam? Sardar Sarovar Dam. आया समझ में? Next, this is one of the world's largest and the tallest masonry dams built across the Krishna River at Nagarjuna Sagar, which straddles the borders between Nalgonda district, Telangana state, and Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. So, world's largest and tallest masonry. बड़ा सा dam है। क्या है ये? Yes, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Next, this is a concrete gravity dam on the Satluj River in Bilaspur. अब बिलासपुर हिमाचल प्रदेश में है, नॉर्दर्न इंडिया के हिमाचल प्रदेश में बिलासपुर है, ये सतलुज रिवर पे बना गया है डैम। द डैम फॉर्म द गोविंद सागर रिजर्वायर। गोविंद सागर रिजर्वायर मींस द प्लेस वेयर you can preserve, you can collect and keep the water for future use. तो इसको रिजर्वायर बोलते हैं, जैसे टंकी वगैरह करते हैं, क्या है वो रिजर्वायर ही है, अपना काम पानी की जरूरत पड़े तो काम में लेते हैं। तो यही गोविंद सागर रिजर्वायर बनाया गया। This is the second largest in India after the Indira Sagar Dam. So Indira Sagar Dam is the first one. Govind Sagar Dam reservoir is the second one. So Bhakra Dam. Fourth answer is Bhakra Dam. Now this is built. The next one. This is built across the Mahanadi River, about 15 kilometers from Sambalpur in the state of Odisha in India. Behind the dam extends the lake Hirakud Reservoir, 55 kilometers. Yes, fifth one, Hirakud Dam. Sixth, this dam is located on Bhagirathi River near Tehri in Uttarakhand, India. तो टेहरी पे बना है तो टेहरी डैम। This dam is built across Kaveri River of Salim district of Tamil Nadu with the height of 120 feet. It is one of the largest and one of the oldest dam built in India. कौन सा है ये largest and oldest? Mittur Dam. Next, this dam is built on the river Barakar located at Misao and is the big dam in tribal state of Jharkhand. This dam is one of the most popular dams in Jharkhand and one of the most successful multi-purpose projects in India, especially designed for flood control and generation of electric power. Flood control के लिए भी है और electricity power भी generate करता है। ये कौन सा है? Without dam, नाम है given in the paragraph itself. Next, UN organization. Lesson number 24. Lesson number 24 now. The UN has dash main organs. The five permanent members of Security Council who have the veto power. China, France, Russia, UK, United Kingdom, US, United States. हो गए ये फाइव. Next, the fourth judicial organ of UNO is the International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice. आप लोगों ने किया नहीं? ये मैंने सेंड किया था आपको ग्रुप में. हुआ आप लोग ग्रुप में भी तो सेंड किया मैंने इसका पीडीएफ. कोई बात नहीं. The International Court of Justice, JUSTICE. Now fourth, the UNO officially came into existence on 24th October 1945. इनका टाइम खत्म हो रहा है. Dash there fifth one, there are dash official six official languages and six official languages were given. आगे further दिया हुआ है six official languages. Sixth one, the international. Fifth आ गया समझ में? How many official languages? Six. The International Court of Justice is the headquarter in क्या लिखा? The Peace Palace in Hague. The Peace Palace. The PALACE Palace in HAGUE. आपने बराबर दिया आपका नाम क्लास के पर्सन आपके पास जो भी मैटर नहीं है चाहे से रिलेटेड चाहे जिससे रिलेटेड पर्सनली आपका नाम और क्लास मेरा नाम और मेरा नंबर तो है आपके पास उसका आप सेंड करो जो भी आपको चीज की जरूरत है व्हाट्सएप पे आप पर्सनली मांगोगे तो पर्सनली आपको सेंड कर दूंगी. ये है वर्क परमिशन का या सब्जेक्ट एंड या जो भी काम है पर्सनली पर नाम लिख के देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना? तब मुझे पता लगेगा कौन सी क्लास की है क्लास की. Now the Peace Palace in Hague, HAGUE, Hague. अभी एक कहाँ पर है? इधर है. एक कहाँ पर है? ब्रैकेट में कर दो अगर आपको ध्यान कर दे तो नीदरलैंड. ठीक है. Next, that became the first specialized agency to be associated with the UN. First specialized agency. इसको इन्वेंट किया गया इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. शॉर्ट फॉर्म होता है इसका ILO. और आपको फुल फॉर्म मिलना है. शॉर्ट फॉर्म नहीं मांगा है. इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. INTER NATIO NAL international labor labor organization organization. And year also I had given. Which year? 1946. Write down there. International Labour Organization 1946. So हमारा वाला लिखो 1946. Next, the headquarters of the UNO is at New York. NEWYORK, New York. Then ninth, the UNO is often considered the successor organization to the League of Nations write down LEAGUE. LEAGUE, League of Nations, NATIONS. League of Nations, completed. Now 10, the UN Charter is constituting instrument of UN and is based on the dash proposals. Yes, President PRESIDENT, President Franklin D. Roosevelt. President PRESIDENT, President Franklin, F capital FRANKLIN. Franklin. अब D कैपिटल अलग से D डॉट रूजवेल्ट, R कैपिटल ROOSEVELT. Again I am repeating, President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Next, there are dash specialized agencies related to the UN to deal with specific issues. कितने agencies हैं UN की? 15 agencies हैं. Previously 17 were there. Previously कितने थे? 17 थे पहले तो, पर अब वर्ल्ड बैंक ग्रुप एक बना दिया गया, उसमें दोनों को भी मर्ज कर दिया, एक बना दिया गया, तो 15 रह गई हैं. The official languages include English, French. अभी official language कितना बोले थे? 6 बोले थे. English, French 2 तो ही हो गई. Third Arabic. Yes. Third Arabic, ARABIC Arabic. Fourth Chinese, CHINESE. Fifth Russian, RUSSIAN, Russian. And sixth Spanish, SPANIS, Spanish. Then 13th, the dash is the main deliberative body which meets once every year. General Assembly, GENERAL, General Assembly. ASSEMBLY, Assembly. Now last 14th question, the dash is the most important organ of UNO, composed of 5 permanent members and non-permanent members. Most important organ is Security Council, SECURITY, Security Council, COUNCIL. Now next page, page number 35. Now given below the clues with specialized agencies, ये सब UN की specialized जो important agencies हैं, इनके clues के according you have to give the name and even the logo is given of those. This is a specialized agency of United Nations that is concerned with international public health. Now this logo is for International World Health Organization. WHO, World Health Organization. Next, the specialized agencies of United Nations based in Paris declares purpose to contribute the peace and security by promoting international collaboration in education, science, and cultural reforms. कुछ reforms कुछ changes लाने हैं education, science या culture में, तो ये responsible agency of United Organization is responsible, which is that agency? United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Yes, UNESCO. Full form you have to write down. U for United, N for Nation, E E for educational, comma, S for